We love to cater to everyone's needs. That's why we try so hard to provide each and every one with great service. And we're happy to say it's paid off with a glowing 5-star review that we'd like to share with you right now. We never get tired of seeing great posts about these types of experiences online. We are thrilled to know that we've made a lasting impression. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. We're glad you had the chance to come and visit us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.